Hey guys, Todd here, bringing you the truth about making money online. I have another segment here from Kimberly Mitchell in regards to making money on YouTube. Now, we all know you can make money on YouTube, otherwise, yours truly wouldn't be here. But can you make money with a kids channel? It's very specific, and advertisers have to target their audience when they advertise on a YouTube channel. In this case, the audience would be kids. And it's hard to find advertisers that want to do that. So can you make money with a kids channel is the question. Now let's let Kimberly tell us if you can.
YouTube. Now, this channel is not my first YouTube channel. I actually have a pretty successful children's YouTube channel called Superstar Colors. Here it is right here. I'm also going to have it linked in the description box below. I have 60,000 subscribers. I started this April of 2021. Okay, so it's going on 2 full years since I've had this channel. I got monetized within 9 months of starting it, and I posted every single day. And within 9 months, I was fully monetized. I made some pretty good money right after getting monetized because I had shorts that were getting like over 1 million views, and I've been monetized since January of 2022. And now it's pretty steady if you check it out. And if you have children, please subscribe to that channel. It's super fun and I do post every single day. That channel is pretty successful, and so I can tell you that is the #1 way to earn extra money. But I wouldn't go into it expecting it to just fall into your lap, I'm not going to go into a full list of how you can do this, but I am going to tell you that this is something I tried and it does work.
Well, there it is, guys. You can make money with a kids channel on YouTube. Now, Kimberly wasn't specific in how much she makes, but you heard it yourself. It sounded pretty positive. So please like and subscribe this channel if you find this information beneficial and the truth about actually making money online. And thank you again for watching.